Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Soni and I am excited to present Aether Somnia, the first multi-agent AI copilot for DeFi. Built entirely on Somnia blockchain, Aether Somnia turns natural language into on-chain action, letting users simplify, say what they want, like stake 100 STT with best validator and have the system automatically execute it securely on the chain. My vision with Aether is to make decentralized finance intelligent, safe, and accessible to everyone, not just developer or crypto experts. Today, DeFi platforms are powerful but also complicated and risky. User must interact with multiple DApp, manage approval, calculate slippage, and read complex transaction data. This creates barriers for everyone users, leading to costly mistake and missed opportunities. Solution. Ithosomia solves this by introducing AI-driven agent that understand human intent and translate it into secure on-chain DeFi operation. Our architecture combining LLM intelligence with autonomous smart contracts deployed on Somia testnet, enabling a truly intelligent self-operating DeFi copilot. Let's see Ithosomia in action. I type swap my ETH for STT with 1% slippage. The system automatically praise my intent using the AI router, fetch DEFX data, calculation optimal routes, and show a preview with output, price, impact, and gas cost. I confirm and the transaction executes seamlessly on chain. Next, let's try stake 100 STT with the best validator. The stake agent evaluate all available validators using uptime and APR data, select the best one and display the confirmation screen. Once confirmed, it automatically stake tokens on chain and returns the transaction hash. Under the hood, Ithosomia architects multiple specialized agents working together. Trade agent handles swap with slippage protection. Stake agent manages delegation and rewards. Portfolio agent tracks balance and PNL. Research agent integrates with Venic API for market insights. Analytic agent provide risk and perform metrics. All actions are logged on chain for full transparency and critical operation require 2FA confirmation and simulation preview to protect users. Either architecture is powered by frontend in Next.js 15, React, Tailwind, and Skadden UI, backend with Node.js, Superbase, and Open Router intent phrasing, smart contract solidity based agent registry, execution proxy, on Somni testnet, blockchain Somni testnet with live deployed contract. This ensure modality, scalability, and end-to-end encryption. With ITER Somni, anyone can interact with the DeFi using natural language, no more complex UI or manual transaction handling. In the future of ITER, we involve into AI-driven DeFi DEO where autonomous agent optimize yields, manage portfolios, and even vote in governance all on chain. To summarize, Ithosomni bring intelligence, safety, and accessibility to decentralized finance is not just an app. It's beginning on-chain autonomous finance on Somni blockchain. Thank you for watching. I'm Manshi Soni and this is Ithosomni from Prompt to Protocol.